What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another intimate extraction episode with BrookeEbonie. If you are new here, go ahead on and hit the subscribe button, especially if you like things like this extractions, stuff coming out of skin, and all of that good stuff. Definitely go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. But, y'all, let me tell you something. This video was literally 2 hours long before I chopped it down. And if you don't know what that means, before I edited it, it was literally 2 hours long. It has been so hard for me to get some good extractions, but I'm sure you've seen by the thumbnail. If you stay to the end, if you like those types of extractions, definitely keep watching to the end. I got two of them, but one of them wasn't really in focus, but it was still good. So I included it because I know y'all like that type of stuff. Like I like that type of stuff. And we just here. You know what I'm saying? We just know each other. I know y'all wanted to see it, so I put it in here. But anyways, y'all, I promise y'all, I was like 2 hours worth of footage. Hell yeah, this gonna be like a 25, 30-minute video. I mean, I don't know if anybody would want to watch extractions for 25, 30 minutes. I would, but I ain't really exactly sure if y'all would, but I was going to try to do it. Like, I was going to try to, I'm really thinking I done did something. And I'm chopping it down and I'm chopping it down. And I'm like, that wasn't even worth looking at. Delete, delete, delete. Like, and now all I got is 6 minutes. But in the spirit of standing on all 10 toes when it comes to being consistent, I was like, I'm going to put this video out there anyway. Fuck it. Like, it is what it is. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, mute your phone if you don't want to hear the talking. Somebody commented and was like, her OGs know and they are here for the dialogue. So, baby, I dialogues. But if you don't want to hear that and you just want to see the extractions, then mute your phone, baby. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Mute the video, mute the phone. But in the midst of doing that, go ahead on and subscribe anyway, and then hit the like button or the thumbs down button. It don't matter. Just engage with the video. Help me get back in the algorithm, because YouTube is mad at me because I was not being consistent with YouTube. I was, you know what I'm saying, calling and texting for a little bit, and then I stop, ghost them. You know what I'm saying? Get that head, get that breath, and leave. You know what I'm saying? And then I would come back when I would be out of bread. You know what I'm saying? And y'all know this is a song. Like, your girl is never out of bread. Let me not even speak that negativity over my life and my finances. But yeah, so anyways, they was mad at me. So, they not really pushing my videos. So please engage. Share the video if you have friends that love extractions. If you have friends that love vlogs, because you get some of everything over here. For you all that is curious about my life, I do be vlogging. I'm going to include some vlogs at the end of this video. I need you to tap on them and go watch them. Run my views back up. Let YouTube know she came back. She came back quicker this time than what she did last time. So cut her some slack. Email them. I'm talking about, call the number. Do Google have a number? No, Google too big of a company to have a number. Y'all, I don't know. I'm just a chatterbox. I am just a chatterbox. So, update. Life has definitely been lifing. Oh my God. I got to go back over there and cover that up some. I did not mean to do that. I do not need YouTube striking my channel. I have worked too hard. I didn't work too hard. But yes, I'm going to do a story time on what's been going on lately. I said clearly, life's not going to stop lifing. So that does not mean I can stop working. So I might as well just go ahead on and just let y'all in. I'm in my world. Let y'all in my world. Get a, some of them may be a little venti. If you don't want to hear that, then just don't watch it. Watch it, but just put your phone down low. Don't put it on mute, because YouTube know when you put it on mute. Just put your phone down low. And you guys, you all know that we don't get paid for these videos. So if you do want to support, you can send a super thanks. You can hit the little heart with the money sign inside of it, and you can do a super thanks like that just right through your app store. it's nothing. And that's just if you want to support. I just want you guys to know that it's there because it's a fairly new feature. Not trying to put no pressure on nobody, but you guys, this is the end of the video. I really did enjoy doing this voiceover this time. Y'all know usually I hit y'all with some music, honey. I'll be like, I don't feel like talking and turn that music on, but I enjoy talking to y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe. I love you all. Thank you all for the support. I think I've been doing extraction videos about a little over a year and a half now, and y'all really be showing out. I mean, them videos really be getting views, and I just want to thank you all. I love you all. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, whether it's the start of the day, the end of the day, whatever. Have a good night. And don't think I don't see y'all comments. I see them. So go ahead and leave them. Even if I can't respond to every last one of them. Your girl is a busy girl, honey. I am a business owner, and I'm a mom, and I'm a wife. And then every now and then my mama and my sister try to get their little 2 cents in too. So, you know, but I do see y'all's comments, and I do appreciate them. I am definitely going to try to get some more footage so the next video can be longer, and we can talk about, put some topics down there. What y'all want to talk about? Put some topics in the comment section, and yeah. See y'all in the next one.
You know when it's too much. Okay. Is it already too much?
No, I will.
The hair, like right there, like it'll come out when the stuff come out, but it won't. It'll just go right back in as soon as I wipe it off. Did
what
it come
you gonna
out?
pull it out with tweezers?
Mm-hmm. We run it clear now.
If you still here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead on and hit this little circle right here. The little subscribe button right there, and subscribe. And here go the other 2 videos I told y'all about. Watch them. Bye, y'all.